Hello and welcome back to the DJWW Auto Diagnostics YouTube channel. Today we are back with my 2007 E91 335i and a rather embarrassing problem. The other day, whilst out on the road and I had the oil warning light come on, so I had to top the oil up whilst I was out, the bonnet subsequently fell on my head. So what we're going to do today is replace. We've got two new struts off of eBay. They're about 15 quid. Can't be any worse than the struts that are already on there. So we're going to get these replaced, and yeah, this should be a fun video. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a pair of vice grips on the other side. Once we do this, let's get cracking with a screwdriver and see if we can unhook these clips. We'll start with the worst looking one, which is the one down here. Okay, so that's the bottom side off. And then hopefully we will literally just be able to twist them off. Turns out my vice grips are not on there tight enough, so I'm just going to hold them. Just lift that piece of trim up.
Make our car shine. It looks like
Okay, there we go, that's one on. Even with just one on there, it's holding under its own weight, which it wasn't doing before. So let's just quickly transfer over to the other side. Okay, so let's take a look at the other side. I think the first thing we'll do, from experience, is see if we can just pull some of this trim out of the way. So that will enable us to get to the bottom fitting easier. Okay, that's the bottom one out.
do so. We're going to put it here. But we need to wash a lot.
Let's try another screwdriver. Okay, hardware failure. Let's try again with this screwdriver. Okay, and let's turn these so that they're about opposite each other. To start with, let's get the top one on. Should just be a case of just pushing these on like that. And then let's try and there we go. That's much safer for all concerned. So let's put some of this.
It's going to take a long time to dry. So it's going to be very...
Put some of this trim back where it belongs then. Okay, so let's pop this last bit of trim on, which lives just in here.
This one is very good.
Just like that. And I think, hopefully, we can call this job a win. No more mulgets required to keep us all safe. Let's see how this works now. Still a slow rise, but it ain't going to fall down and it ain't going to kill you. Let's just make sure everything okay, so I think we can wrap this one up. We've swapped out the bonnet struts, albeit we look a bit of a struggle. We had to remove those bits of plastic trim, but nothing too spectacular. So the bonnet's staying up under its own weight now, so we'll call that a win. No more embarrassing situations in Halford's car park, etc. Yeah, not much more to say with this one. We'll wrap it up. Have a look at the website www.djwautodiagnostics.co.uk, where you'll find loads of interesting tools and diagnostic stuff, etc. And we also have stuff in there for other makes, models: Fiat, Alfa Romeo, VAG, E-Group cars, Ford, etc. So, without further ado, like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.